ओ अच्छा, एक नंबर। हाँ हम लोग गए थे वहाँ पे। करे 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 करे। अरे वो इंटरेस्टिंग। बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू हिम यार, उसको लगे। हाँ क्या बोला उसने? हाँ हाँ। अरे वाह, उनको बोला एक विलन देख लो। हाँ थैंक यू। दैट विल बी नेक्स्ट ईयर। अभी मैं ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ, गेनिंग सम वेट। बहुत मुश्किल हुई उनको मुझे ये फिट करने में कपड़े। थोड़ा मेरा साइज बढ़ गया है अभी, नॉट परफेक्ट। आई एम बिकमिंग लिटिल बिट लाइक अ फाइटर, लाइक अ वॉरियर। तो नेक्स्ट ईयर आई एम गोना स्टार्ट शूटिंग फॉर दैट फिल्म वेरी सून एंड विल हैव अ गुड फिल्म। For my looks, I think broad shoulders. I don't know. I think मेरे को मैं इतना ध्यान नहीं देता. I don't feel कि ऐसा visually दिखना important है. I think the conversation that you make makes you beautiful or not beautiful. Alright, super. Thank you guys.
Okay. Well, I think a lot of people know I've had a baby, and it takes time when you're pregnant and the baby has to grow up, and then you have to jump on the wagon again. Yes. How does it feel? I feel pretty good, and I think it's sweet. I'm a middle-aged mom, and so it's extremely flattering to get it now. I'm wearing a DVF dress, and my mom got me this bag, so that's it. Thank you.
What is the beauty tip that you like to give? Any beauty tips since you won Timeless Beauty Award?
I think after a certain age, beauty is as much about your spirit as it is about your bone structure. So if you're a good person, then it shows on your face. After 35, whatever you are, you get the face you deserve. So be a good person, you might look slightly better as you age. Sorry? Thank you. I'm wearing the Sheila Khan. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Yes. It's been an amazing year, you know, and this really seals the deal for me. It's just so special to be recognized by a association like Vogue. Feels great. Beauty means simplicity, being able to live life the way you want to live it. Beauty is about being able to find beauty in everything around you and not just within you, you know. And to make sure that the kind of beauty that excites you is long lasting and does not depend on age. How does that feel? It feels great. It feels lovely. I think the love keeps pouring in. It's been releasing in countries one after the other. It's due to release in Japan now very soon. So it feels really lovely.
tips that you would like to give your viewers?
Stay happy. I think there's nothing more beautiful than inner light and inner happiness, you know. It's really cliched, but it really is what works. I think if you're inertly satisfied and just want to be the best that you can be, that's what makes you beautiful. Thank you. मैं यहाँ तो किसी को नहीं ढूंढ रही हूँ, that's for sure. शादी की बात तो नहीं लिखी थी, but you know, it's just that I'm single and it's just that. That's all I said. It's nothing else. नहीं, ऐसा तो कोई नहीं सोचा है. Yeah. वो तो टाइम ही बताएगा कहाँ से कौन सा दूल्हा मिलेगा. Okay, thank you. Being a what? Being in vogue. It's one of the best things that you can be in. There's nothing better than being in vogue. Thank you.
I think Vogue just says it all, yeah. I mean, you need to be in fashion, you need to be in Vogue, you need to be in style, and that's what Vogue is all about. And I think one thing I like about the magazine, and one thing I like about the fact that they stick to everything that's out of the box, and every time they try and come up with something new or the other, and absolutely love it. And I think Anaita is superb at her job, and she has an awesome team supporting her.
And beauty tip that you would like to give to your viewers?
Well, I would say keep it simple and don't, you know, like complicate things. I think we generally do that. We try to complicate a lot of things and try to, you know, put in a lot of things together in order to look a certain way. But I think simplicity is the best, and yeah, so that's what I follow. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Social.